Hello guys, how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80040111 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code when you try to install Windows latest update, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute first dism tool as shown on your screen. Execute these three dism tool: dism scanhealth, dism online checkhealth, and dism online restorehealth. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And after successfully execution of these commands, all these command path will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there. Thereafter, execute the command sfc/scan now. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. So you must execute sfc scan now tools. After that, start your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Win+I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here from the left side under system settings, go to troubleshoot from the right side. Choose other troubleshooters and run the Windows Update troubleshoot. Click on run to it will detecting problems. It will take some time. Wait for times. Let the window complete the troubleshooting process. And after that, follow on-screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. The next workaround to fix this issue is again right click on a start button and choose device manager. And look for any problematic drivers. If you found, then simply update it. Sometimes optional driver updates fail to install due to any error in driver related issue. So you must update your driver. Any driver having yellow exclamation mark should be updated. The next workaround is right click on start button and choose run command box. And in run command box, type services.msc to open services windows in your system. Open services windows, and in services windows, go to background intelligence transfer service. Right click on it and choose restart. If you found it stop, then first start it, otherwise restart it. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties and a startup type set as automatic. Apply and OK to save the changes. The next service is cryptographic service. Look for cryptographic services and same process, right click on it and choose restart. If you found it a stop, then start first, then restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and a startup type set as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. The next services is Windows Update services. Same, right click on it and choose restart. Restart Windows Update services. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and a startup type set as automatic. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next fixes is go to type cmd and again open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute some Windows Update components as shown on your screen. First, stop these 4 services. Execute all these commands one by one and followed by enter key on each time. And after successfully completion of these 4 commands, thereafter go to execute these 2 commands also, software distribution and cataroot. Execute one by one these 2 commands also. All these commands will also available in my videos description box. You may copy from there. And after successfully execution of these 2 commands, again start all those 4 services which you have earlier stopped them. Execute all these 4 commands one by one followed by enter key on each time. And once completion of all the Windows Update components run on your system, don't forget to restart your system. So restart your system, your problem will definitely be resolved. Your Windows Update error code will not no longer